So yun guys, i-unbox natin tong delivery from Smith Store. Umorder kami online kasi nung time na may sakit si Pen, nangako kami sa kanya na pag gumaling siya, we will buy toys for her. Ayan. Wow. So guys, I'm working here while Pen is playing her new toy, right? You speak.
Hi guys. So I'm so busy today and I need to paint my beautiful nice top.
Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Say hi, Pen. So, for today's video, mag-unbox lang tayo. What's this, Pen?
A box.
A box.
Yeah.
What do you think is inside?
Toys.
Yeah.
Can you
Wait.
help me?
Yeah, wait. Mag-intro lang tayo. So, yun guys. I-unbox natin tong delivery from Smith Store. Umorder kami online kasi nung time na may sakit si Pen, nangako kami sa kanya na pag gumaling siya, we will buy toys for her. Tapos yun, lagi siya mahilig siyang tumingin sa catalog online sa Smith Store. Pero wait lang. First time namin bumili sa online sa Smith Store, yun para lang kay Pen. Tapos yan, tingnan na natin. Mag-unbox na tayo. So yan, na-set up ko na yung piano kaso walang battery. Ito, may upuan pa siya. Nice. So wait natin, bibili tayo ng battery. Kailangan kasi AA. Ang meron lang ako is ito, AAA na 4. Bibili pa ng battery. Pero yun si Pen. What you have here? It's Thomas.
Thomas the train.
Pambata. Siguro ano to babasahin ni Pen pag matutulog na, 'di ba? Mahilig kasi si Pen magpabasa sa amin kapag matutulog na siya. She likes books. Right?
I don't want to sleep yet.
Okay. You just play. Work muna si Papa, ha? At ito naman 8 book library.
Open.
And electronic reader. Sige, let's open this, okay? So, ito yung mga books. Snow Angel. Ito, ano to? Frozen lang, wala nakalagay. Tapos Royal Visit, Olaf's Dream.
What is this?
Elsa's Magic. Wait, explain natin later.
Papa, what's this?
Troll Troubles. Wind
Papa,
Spirit.
what's this for?
Siya yung magbabasa for you and Frozen 2. Tingnan mo. So, meron dito na parang reader siguro to. So, for example, Frozen 2. Hanapin natin Frozen 2. Ayan ito. So, kapag binuksan mo siya, Pen, alam mo. Yan. Ito yung una-una. Click here.
Disney, Frozen 2.
Yan, tapos babasa. Makikinig ka, Pen. Paano yun? Paano magbabasa?
Disney, long ago, King Agnes
Ayan,
Now
ayan,
told
ayan.
his daughters a story.
Ayan.
Far away, as far north as you can go, there was an enchanted forest where the North Ultra lived.
Wow. Ang cool
A wall of
naman.
mist surrounded the forest, and no one
Ayan,
could get
makikinig
in,
ka lang dun,
and no one
Pen.
could leave.
Hindi, wag ka magbabasa. Wag mong pipidutin yan. Nandito ka lang sa Frozen 2. O ngayon, pag next page ka na, pidutin mo ulit to. Press this again.
Disney, Frozen 2.
Tama ba? Read.
Long ago, in a frozen cave, Elsa finds the voice and discovers the
Mali.
memory of her mother.
Yung kulay. So, dapat yellow muna, nak, yellow.
Years later,
Ayan, years later.
Elsa hears a voice calling to her. Could it be from the enchanted forest? Elsa, Anna, Olaf, Kristoff, and Sven set off to find out.
Ang galing. O, next. Next, ito, kulay ano. Pinili mo to, yung ganito. What's this?
Pink.
Yep.
When the friends reach
Correct.
the forest, they find the wall of mist.
O, di ba?
But the mist parts for Elsa and Anna and lets them all in. Soon, they meet the wind spirit, fire spirit, earth giants.
O, next. O, imamatch mo. O, what's that?
Triangle.
Isa pa.
And the North Ultra, along with some Arendelian soldiers. I promise you, Elsa tells them, I will free this forest. To do so, she needs to follow the voice that is
Galing.
calling to her.
Nice one. So, tingnan natin. Yung sunod, guys. Mani ka pa? Mani ka pa ulit. Pindot ka pa dito. So, yun yung napakita ko na. Yung piano, this one, and then yung Thomas. Yung battery, pagdating na lang ni Mama Hari kasi medyo, ano siya, gagawa ata ng paso. Yun eh. Hindi ako marunong. Tingnan na namin si Mama Hari. Diba?
Yes.
You wait for Mama, ha?
Okay.
There's a mic for the, for the piano. Okay,
Open
are you okay here? Mag-work muna ako.
I want to open the mic.
Okay. So, see you later, guys. Pagdating ni Mama Hari. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
One eternity later.
So, guys, I'm working here while Ben is playing her new toy, right? So, nakabili na kami nung battery nung piano ni Pen. Gumagana na siya. Pen, try the mic. Ayan, medyo na ano siya. Nalilibang siya kahit papano. Oh, you sing. You sing ano? You sing Ash.
I follow my heart. It's in my heart.
Ayusin mo. Di ba may chair yan? Get the chair. Your new chair. Where is it? Ay. Ayan, yan yung second toy. And then, siguro, i-video ko din yung
I have a next one.
gamit. Ang pangit nung ano.
This one.
Yeah, the battery. Ang battery naman, 3.9 nila kagabi ni Mama Hari. Kaso, nung pag-check namin, kailangan pala ng battery din. Kaso yung battery niya hindi pang AA. Parang mataba yung ano.
I'll show the video my stuff.
Mataba yung battery, so bibili ulit si Mama Hari.
The pain.
So yun, magbi-video ulit kami pagka dumating na yung bagong battery. What?
This the paint cutter and paint brush and the lid and this the sand and the Play-Doh.
Yeah.
And I'll show you something else. This one is the spinning battery.
Pakita mo. Remove mo muna yan. Yeah.
I'll show you this first. Wait, there's nothing.
Show that. Yan yung kailangan. Yung malaking machine. Yung pang sa ano. Battery kasi siya. So,
This one.
yung parang taggagawa ng paso. Yan kailangan ng battery. Tapos yung battery niya malaki. Parang ano, 1.5 something eh. Hindi ko nakabot ako yung pangalan ng battery. Bibili pa si Mama Kari. Tapos 4 pa yung kailangan. Grabe. So, that's her second toy na napakita namin. Yung una, yung ipa-flash ko na lang pala sa screen yung mga presyo sa Smith Store para may idea kayo kung magkano siya. Yung una ko napakita last clip, yung ayan, yung hawak ni Pen, yung Frozen book na nagkikwento, tas may mga background music. Okay na din. Kasi si Pen mahilig siya magpabasa ng mga stories tuwing gabi. Di ba, Pen? Hindi pa. Wait for Mama, okay? O, balik mo na yan doon. Put it back. Maano naman siya, masunuro. Pero galit siya. Dali, balik mo muna. Hindi mo magagamit yan. Wala kang battery. Tawagan natin si Mama and you remind her about the battery, okay? Put it back. Under the table.
I just don't want. I don't know.
Say, see you later.
She goes.
See you later, guys. Bye.
Help me. Yes. Yeah. Oh, nabuta.
Nge.
Again. I think we need to put, oh no, we need to put some water. Again. To spray water. Ang hirap.
Nabalik mo? Nagbasa ka ba ng instruction? Hindi.
Look at my new teapot.
Looking good. Tama na yan, nak. Stop mo na.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we will just let it dry there. Okay? Wash your hands na, ha? Let me see the hands. Ang messy naman ng toy na to. This is the final product.
The next day.
Papa.
So guys, ngayon ay January 10 na. Kakauwi lang ni Pen from school. And she wants to paint na her pot. But, ayan yung gawa niya. Hiniwa-hiwa niya. So, design niya. Ano na tayong pakialam.
That's my design.
Yeah, that's your design.
I want that.
Pero ano pa siya, nak? Parang malambot-lambot pa. Okay, you hold the camera while I tanggal it.
Okay. I can
Tutok mo
remove.
dito.
So my papa can remove it, and he's trying, and I'm going to start to paint, and I'm going to paint it.
It's kinda wet. Papakita mo sa akin. Pakita mo ko sa video. Yan.
Kind of too wet.
Oops. It's kinda wet.
Yeah.
Dadan! Show it.
It's broken.
Show it.
It's broken.
Ito na.
It's broken.
This is her first masterpiece. Pero may dalawa pa dun. Ayan, dalawang unopened clay. So, sana mas maganda pa yung susunod. Pero yon, start to paint it now. Here. Maybe here again. Okay, you paint it na.
Haven't opened this.
Okay. So, yon, hayaan mo na natin siya mag-paint kasi mag-work pa ako. Ayun, para malimang-limang siya.
Jojo.
So, see you later.
See you later, Chichi.
Ayan. So, guys, magpe-paint na si Pen. Ito lang ang kanyang colors. We have the pink one, the blue-green ba to? White and gold.
Oh,
So, lagyan natin
I
dito.
thought that's yellow. Yes,
I think it's gold. Okay. You speak.
Hi guys. So I'm so busy today, and I need to paint my beautiful, nice pot. And then after I'm done, I'll stop and I'll eat this, my favorite. Oh, I forgot water.
So, hello guys. Ito na yung final product ng pot ni Pen. Inubos niya yung kulay niya. Wala na siyang kulay. Hindi na siya mapagkulay for the for the next putik.
I don't want to make pot anymore.
Why?
Because I ran out of paint.
Yeah, you ran out of paint. It's your fault.
Right.
Dali, Pen. Don't do that. Taas mo yung... dali, hugot mo na.
I can.
1 2 Dumikit. Hawakan mo. I'll show it to the camera.
Too heavy.
Pakita yan. Yeah! Pangit. Pero ang ganda ng kulay ano ilalagay mo dyan? I think you need to put like ball pen. Wow, that's your pot.
Wait, Papa.
Ayan na.
I'm going to put it down.
Yan, kakaibang toy lang. Pero ayun, magagamit pa naman niya. May dalawa pa siyang parang mud. So, ayun. Yun lang sa video na to. And then, thanks for watching. Ayun.
I made a hole.
Total of 99 euro pala guys yung gastos namin sa mga toys ni Pen. Sulit na din naman kasi yan yung piano. Paano to yun? Ayan. Yan yung piano niya. Mukhang magagamit pa naman ito na matagal. And then yung book niya ginagamit namin sa gabi pag matutulog siya. So, bye-bye na, Pen.
Hi, bye-bye.
Thank you guys for watching. See you sa next video.
Hi, bye-bye.
Please say, please subscribe.
Bye-bye, Tata.
Say, please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.